Hey, folks, and welcome to week number 12. So, I actually changed the deadlines for this week a little bit. So, I wanted to put a fresh video up here to illustrate that. So, number one, watch the video. You're doing that right now. There's a quick video on how to use Turnitin, how to see your own Turnitin reports. Some of you might have seen me share a Turnitin report if I was trying to illustrate like a situation where maybe you didn't quote everything properly. But so far, we haven't talked about it too much. But Turnitin is most useful as a tool that you can use to look at your own report and try to understand what it tells you. So there's a video on how to do that there. Obviously, look for an email regarding peer review. You guys at this point, actually, in the week, probably should have already finished peer review. If you were in a peer review group that started late, I gave you a different deadline for it. My goal is by Wednesday evening to give you guys feedback on your drafts in those same Google Docs. That should give you between Wednesday and next Monday to turn your paper. And this is the thing that I changed. It was set to be due Thursday. I pushed it to next Monday because I want you guys to actually have a little bit of time to do some revision. And I want to give myself a little breathing room to give you guys some comments. Okay. So I'm going to follow this up with an email, but quick gist of things. Go ahead, pushed it back until next Monday, excuse me. And that's all we've got for this week. So just work on those essays. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions.